Hello world! From Just Jared News, we just got some very huge news about the status of a new Ocean 11 movie. It's been nearly 20 years since the release of Ocean's 13, a heist film, the close-out trilogy of blockbusters starring George Clooney and Brad Pitt. There have been talk of an Ocean 14 for a while now. However, we just got the most substantial update Wednesday, January 22. It was reported that David Leitch, who most recently directed The Fall Guy, is in talk to handle the film. Additionally, 4 stars from the original movies have been tapped to return for another epic adventure. George Clooney will return for the movie as Danny Ocean. He will also produce the film via his production company Smokehouse Pictures. This will be his 4th film in the franchise. Brad Pitt will return to the franchise as Rusty Ryan. This will be his 4th film in the franchise. Matt Damon is expected to return to the franchise as Linus Caldwell. This will be his 4th film in the franchise. Casey Affleck is expected to reprise his role as Virgil Mallory. In the film, this will be his 4th film in the franchise. If you are unaware, a prequel movie is also said to be in development. It will star Margot Robbie and Ryan Gosling. She provided an update on its status in early 2024. Guys, let's all wait for this. Good day to all. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.